All week long, our ABC 13 Plus series is taking us to Pasadena.
Yeah, so today we are hopping on board a boat tour of the Houston Ship Channel. ABC 13's Pooja Lodi is sharing more about this educational ride. Hey, Pooja.
Hey guys, we are so happy to be back here in Pasadena, and we've been working on something for all of you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Pasadena! Yes, we made it! So we spent a great day learning more about the history of the area. When you step onto the Sam Houston, you're stepping onto more than 100 years of history.
Who would have believed it led to all these things, and what an engineering feat, and what a great thing for Houston that most people don't know about. They should really come and see this. It's unbelievable what they did here.
It's true. It is fascinating. And the fact they offer it for no charge is remarkable. What a great adventure.
The Houston Ship Channel opened to big cargo ships like this back in 1914. 2 world wars and the petrochemical boom helped transform this 52-mile route from downtown Houston to the Gulf of Mexico into one of the world's busiest ports.
My great-grandfather helped dig the ship channel. My whole family's worked out here. It means a lot to me. It's in my DNA.
The last time I went was about 40 years ago. My parents came up.
We get to see like everything in action, like get to do hands-on or actually see, because he talks about the ships unloading and loading. We watch videos, but we actually get to see it in person, and it's better.
This ship channel is private, so this 90-minute ride is the only way to see what really happens out here. Sure, the petrochemical plants can be a bit jarring, and so can the cargo ships, some of which are bigger than the size of 3 football fields. But there is no better way to observe our area's economy, living, breathing, and continuing to grow.
I would say it's the best job here at the port, you know.
And if you really want to fit in, you better get ready to play a little Texas chicken. So you probably don't want me to take control of the ship from here on out, do you?
You can if you like, that's fine.
Okay.
I'll go downstairs for a few minutes and then we'll come back to it.
It was so nice to meet you. And of course, you can go to our website to learn more about that boat ride and all of the fun activities we are doing right here in Pasadena. Just go to abc13.com/plus. What do you think? I've got some great guests, huh?